Did you watch this recent clip on Shark Tank where one of the sharks was saying this is one of the best packaging he's ever seen?
Amazed हूँ मैं कि आपने पैकेजिंग खुद ही बना लिया।
हाँ नहीं मतलब हमने खुद नहीं बनाई है, एक फ्रेंड फ्रीलांसर है उन्हीं से बनवाया है।
यार कमाल ही है यार, ये तो बड़े-बड़े एजेंसीज 50-50 लाख रुपए ले लेते तो भी इतना बढ़िया पैकेजिंग नहीं बनाते।
And after that, I followed the lady who made the packaging. Brand new person, but I reached out to her for some work. That's how people will reach out to you. If you are somebody who has spent time to understand brand, you must be able to help them brand themselves. Reaching out to 5 people a day, 15 a week, 60 a month, you'll be able to sign at least 2 contracts a month. If somebody told me what is that one skill that you should take to take your agency to $10,000 a month, I would say, hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start a $10,000 a month agency in 30 days. Follow this system and I'll tell you how you can reach those clients. Number 1, you choose your passion. You choose the passion based on whatever industry that you've loved. Have you loved yoga for a while? Have you loved crypto for a while? Have you loved digital marketing agency for a while? Have you loved finance for a while? Have you loved football, soccer, cricket? Whatever you loved is where you can talk about to clients more. So where you have deeper interests is where your interest with the client will connect. You'll be able to build a deeper relationship. Your blogs will be better. Your ads will be better because you understand these people. So identify 2 passions and then see which is the industry that you want to work with. Once you've been able to identify your passion and you're able to understand which are the clients that you want to go after, make a list of the top 10 clients in any niche that you like. So let's pick up 2 niches and these top 10 clients. Mind you, these clients have to be people not who are winners in their fields, not people who are super successful, but maybe startups, people who have the money. You see funding news and you'll be able to see where these people have got funding from. In the comments I've got here all the new websites that I want you to go and check out to see which are the companies who are getting funded. Watch this news, subscribe to the newsletters of all of these companies. Every day in your email, you will start getting information on which companies got funded. Now, you know they have money, but you also know that they're new. You also know that they have that vibe of a startup and they're open to getting help. They're not like a large corporation which has lots of steps by the time you reach to the marketing manager. So reach out. First, passion. Second, which is the industry that you like and which are the startups which have got funded, and then reach out to them. When you reach out to them, what are the things that you can offer to them? Here is the list. Pay attention. Number 1, if you are somebody who has spent time to understand brand, you must be able to help them brand themselves. You and I both follow Chris Do. Chris is amazing. Most of his work revolves around branding. I've got lots of people who run just a branding agency. So number 1 is to be a brand agency for a startup because you're going to help them discover who they are and help the world discover who they are. Did you watch this recent clip on Shark Tank where one of the sharks was saying this is one of the best packaging he's ever seen?
Amazed हूँ मैं कि आपने पैकेजिंग खुद ही बना लिया।
हाँ नहीं मतलब हमने खुद नहीं बनाई है, एक फ्रेंड फ्रीलांसर है उन्हीं से बनवाया है।
यार कमाल ही है यार, ये तो बड़े-बड़े एजेंसीज 50-50 लाख रुपए ले लेते तो भी इतना बढ़िया पैकेजिंग नहीं बनाते।
And after that, I followed the lady who made the packaging. Brand new person, but I reached out to her for some work. That's how people will reach out to you. Branding is big for startups. So that's number 1. The other idea is on Shark Tank, when you see so many people coming in, many people get funded, many don't. How about reaching out to those people with your branding ideas? Many of those people are easily available. They recently got fame and they've recently got money. Why not reach out to them? So branding is 1. Second, courses. Is there anything that you have done where you failed a couple of times and then figured it out? What is it that you've done? Is it to be able to write content that allows people to sell more travel packages? I had a friend of mine who used to write blogs for an airline and he used to tell people how if he went by road versus going by train versus going by this airline, which was the most amazing experience. And he would share freely on all his experiences. People went through the journey of being on that aircraft, going to that country with him through his blogs. And at the end, they clicked on that blog. His blog linked to the airline website. And through his blog, he was able to drive thousands of people to the airline website. So that was one way of doing it. If you're good at content, then content is what you need to offer to these startups. In terms of a, in terms of a course or a format that you can teach. Remember one thing, The next point which is coming is going to blow your mind away. You underestimate your learning. If you worked for an agency, if you worked as a freelancer, whatever you've done to be able to learn from other people, now is yours. It filters through you and becomes totally yours. Every small and large company is looking for social media training. You can offer your training to most of these teams and reach out to them. And I promise you, reaching out to 5 people a day, 15 a week, 60 a month, you'll be able to sign at least 2 contracts a month. The minimum contract that I've seen in the market is 1 lakh rupee for a 2-day training. So it's about $2,500-3,000 for just 2 days of work. If you multiply this and get 1 training assignment every week, you'll be able to easily scale the $10,000 a mark business. What does that require? It requires the internet moguls outreach like a ninja strategy. And there are other videos that I'm linking over here which only talk about the internet moguls outreach ninja strategy to be able to reach out to anybody. Use those videos to be able to reach out to people for any of these formulas. Next, public speaking. Now you are a digital marketer, you are a social media person, you have been through processes, you've hired teams, you've fired teams, you've worked with clients, you've worked with monster clients, you delivered content, you've done video editing, you've done all that work. Now it is time for you to teach other people through public speaking, telling people how to do it yourself. Maybe you yourself through your experience can do what I'm doing. You can teach other digital marketing agency owners to be able to start their business. If you've done something, you walked the path for at least a year or 2, you've learned so many things a lot of freshers will not be able to do. Remember one thing, when you're in grade 6 and you graduate to grade 7, for you, you've done it, but there is somebody for who grade 6 is a challenge. So at every level, people are finding something as a challenge. Doesn't matter how basic it is, doesn't matter how easy it is for you. For somebody, it is difficult. So understand for who it is difficult, and then you can maybe pick up, start doing public speaking and start teaching people what to do. Finally, what I love is advertising. If somebody told me what is that one skill that you should take to take your agency to $10,000 a month, I would say advertising. Pick up any digital marketing course that teaches you advertising. There are many free on YouTube. Understand advertising. Go to Avi Arya's posts. You can go to Facebook and Instagram and see all my posts, and you can see how I create all my ads. You can see how my landing pages are done. Learn from our ads, because we do a lot of extensive research. We do hundreds of ads a year. We repurpose those ads, we remarket those ads, we do audio ads, video ads. Research our video ad strategy and be able to create your own video step format, and then reach out to those startups again with a video strategy. A video ad strategy where you will help them not only create videos but also videos for ads so that they can get leads for their startups. This is what these people are looking for. So here are a bunch of ideas that you can use in the first 30 days to be able to get $10,000 a month from your client. This will happen through these startups. This will happen through massive outreach. This will happen to you understanding your passion, which is the skill that you want to announce to the world. And finally, you need to understand, does not matter what stage or age you are at. There is some skill that you have which others don't. What you may not have right now is the confidence to go all out. And in that case, I recommend a co-founder or a mentor to work with you. Somebody who will continue to remind you that where you are today in life is enough for you to get started. Will you ever get perfect? Probably not. Will you get better every day? Absolutely. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. You are on your journey to create your first $10,000 client within 30 days. Reach out to 5-10 people every day, follow this format, watch this video again, and don't forget to download all the resources from the description. Every single email that comes from after watching this video is seen by me, and I reply to every email myself. If you need any help from me or my team, we are always available for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the next video in this series.
Guys, Avi here. Thank you very much for watching this episode. It's so much fun bringing all of this to you, but honestly, it is difficult editing, post-production, getting people together. But when you watch till the very end, it feels great. So thank you very much. Now, I'm going to give you something. An opportunity to connect with me and my ecosystem. I have an email called workwithaviarya@gmail.com. Now, what are the possibilities of working with me? Number one, if you are somebody who's liking this content that I'm putting out and saying, you know what, Avi, I want to get into your coaching, I want to get into your ecosystem, I want to understand how this works, I have a school called the Internet Moguls Business School, where we have 2 programs for entrepreneurs. Send me an email at work with Avi Arya, subject Internet Moguls Business School, and then tell me about your business, what are the challenges that are happening, and accordingly, one of our sales consultants will call you, they'll tell you about your business, and finally they'll connect you with me, and we'll see if you're the right fit to work together. Number 2, if you want me to consult with you, just consulting one-on-one, understanding your business, giving you a 3-month, 5-month roadmap. So work with Avi Arya, subject consulting, and then give me all the details about your business. Next, if you want my agency to help you, you could be a product or a service, a coach, a trainer, whatever. You want us to help us set up your get known, get leads, get sales, and set up a proper system for you. Then same thing, work with Avi Arya, and in the subject you will write agency help, and in the end tell me exactly what you want me to do for you and what are the challenges that you're facing. And if you want to work with me in my team as a freelancer, as part-time, full-time, get into the team, work remotely from anywhere in the world, again, work with Avi Arya and say, I want to join your team, and then tell me about yourself. Ideally, for all these things, when you put in a subject, follow it with a nice micro video so I know more about you, because I check every email myself and I'd love to get back to you and connect you with the right people in the right company. So eventually when we talk, we have all these things figured out. Finally, if you want to interview me for your podcast or your YouTube channel, email me at podcastwithaviarya@gmail.com. So there you go. Two ways to connect with us. Work with Avi Arya, and you've got the multiple options, and you've got podcast with Avi Arya, and we can podcast together. So thank you very much for watching the videos. Don't forget to watch all these videos. Send me an email. Would love to hear from you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Avi Arya, signing off for now. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. There's a link over here which has got all my emails for you to get in touch with me as well. Click on the link and get in there. See you. Look forward to hearing that email from you. Bye for now.